Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the echo. I'm in my bathroom, not my bathroom, but I'm on vacation right now and I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna be showing you guys I guess you wanna call it a review slash nighttime routine slash first impressions video on this product right here. This is the PROx Microdermabrasion and Advanced Cleansing System by Olay. And I got this a couple months ago, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm super excited to try it tonight. I thought that I would try it right now since I don't have anything to do and I really want to clean my face for the upcoming week since today is Saturday. So if you want to see this video, just keep on watching. Okay, so in the box came this packaging. So here's like the I guess handle thing, and this is the microdermabrasion head, and this is the daily cleansing head. And it came with the cleansing, exfoliating, renewal cleanser. And then this one is a cleansing thermal crystal polisher. So I think this goes on, I don't know, I'm gonna have to read the directions and see which one I'm supposed to use. Okay, so I think I got it now. Okay, so it says that like I said, I'm right. It has like a little schedule for you on the instructions, which is pretty cool, telling you which days to use which ones. It says to not use the microdermabrasion head and the cleansing head on the same day. Don't do that, and don't use the microdermabrasion head more than 2 consecutive days. So the facial cleansing brush is gentle enough on your skin to use every day to cleanse your face, but the microdermabrasion one, like I said, shouldn't be used every day. And definitely don't use them together. Let's go ahead and get started with the facial cleansing one. I put my batteries in the thing already. This is what it looks like. It requires 2 AA batteries, but it came with batteries, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna put this head on. I'm gonna put this on, and it says till it clicks. And I heard it click. And can you see? And then this is what the microdermabrasion one looks like. I'll show you. Soft, like a polisher almost. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go right into it. I think I'm just gonna use the exfoliating renewal cleanser and call it a day. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet my face and apply the cleanser, and then wet the and then wet the brush. So I'll do that now. Wet my face and apply the cleanser. This is an exfoliating cleanser. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't know how my skin's gonna react to this cleanser, but I heard the Olay is pretty good, so we'll see. And I forgot to mention that I already took off my eye makeup. I'm just wearing like foundation and blush and concealer and stuff like that. So all my eye makeup is already off. I took that off because of course I'm not gonna go over my eyes with it, right? And then it says to wet the head of the brush, which is what I did. So now I'm gonna turn on the system and gently massage my face for 60 seconds. Okay, that feels nice. I like that. That feels really good. And then it has different speeds, so. And you can see the makeup coming off on it. Oh my gosh. What it looks like, but look at it.
I'm even doing it for way longer than 60 seconds. What's that, huh? That feels so good. It's like a massage. I like it. I guess that's about enough as I'm gonna do.
Look at the product on the brush. I'm super excited. That looks really good. So now I'm just gonna wash my face and dry it with a towel and we'll be back. Okay, so I have to be super honest here. I actually really love this product. I can't wait to use the microdermabrasion. I can't even say that word. Why do I even try? But no, really, I do really like this product. My face feels so amazing. I just love it. Like, I've never felt my nose and I've never felt my nose this soft before. My nose has a lot of pores on it and it's like filled with blackheads, as disgusting as that sounds. But literally looking in the mirror right now, it looks so much better. I love this product. I will definitely recommend it to anybody. Like, this is well worth it. I like it. It's definitely like really good. I really recommend it. I'll link it down below. I got it at Target. And yeah, go check it out if you want to try it. Leave your comments down below if you've already tried it. Let me know how you guys like it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. Good night.